We are always getting compliments from residents, from prospects, on how our landscape can sometimes be the difference in whether they decide to lease with us or lease with a competitor. So having that competitive edge on our curb appeal brought to us by BrightView is very key in our industry.
My overall experience working with BrightView has been amazing. They have been true partners to me here on site.
Some of the reasons that we chose BrightView is that we're looking for attention to detail. We are kind of a picky campus around here and we have high standards. They've given us that in the past, but also it's their responsiveness. Around here, this is a very reactive campus, and sometimes we need things done now outside of the normal schedule. They respond to that and they get us taken care of.
BrightView went above and beyond when we had a major event here that was being broadcasted globally. And after the event, one of the executives from the company came to me and said it looked like the lawn of a royal palace.
From the branch managers to the account managers to the crews, the people that are on site, everyone has been nothing short of professional. They are a one-stop shop in landscape. They can do the maintenance, they can do the irrigation, they can do the installs. Anything we need from them, they're able to provide.
BrightView does exhibit a tremendous amount of professionalism and reliability. That's shown a whole lot through their account managers and their support from the back office. And when a company will provide you that additional support and oversight, you know that they care about the client and that they're going to deliver the product, and that's what they've done since they've been here.
If somebody came to me and asked for a recommendation for landscaping companies, I would, without hesitation, recommend BrightView. They have been responsive, they have been communicative, they have been great partners to us here on site.
For anyone that's considering using BrightView, I would highly recommend them. From their professionalism, their taking ownership of properties, and their high attention to detail, they're one of the best in the market.